Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you 5 gift ideas for your father. Now, so Father's Day is coming up, and luckily I'm advanced right now. I've been, trying to get videos every day right now and just to plug it because I really want to share these ideas to you guys because I think they'll really appreciate it. Now, the first one is this one is classic. Well, actually, I don't think this will be 5, but yeah, I'm going to try to cut them down into different videos or multiple videos just because I think it'll be too lengthy if I'm going to give you guys all the list of Father Father's Day gifts that I want to suggest. So, the first one is a mug. Now, not just a typical mug. I'm creating not just a mug. That's why I also want to suggest a mug because I'm sure that all fathers like to drink coffee or milk. Like I don't know if they're like a tea person, but yeah, I think it would be really nice, and they'll be actually using it most of the time because I think that's like a classic father's thing. It's like drinking a coffee in the morning, and I actually know that because my husband is that type of person. He actually doesn't like it when he makes his own coffee. He prefers that I make his coffee, so that kind of sweet thing. So yeah, I would suggest for you guys to get them, a nice, really nice mug that actually reminds you of them because I think that would be really nice, and I think it'll be also not a typical like you're the best father or Happy Father's Day kind of mug there. No, find something that's classic that your husband will actually like or your father will actually really like and appreciate. Now, the next connection to that is coffee, like maybe a strong coffee that's really nice and it really tastes good. I'm not saying like the already made coffee, like the the one that's in a nice package coffee. I think that would be really great, and customize it just like what I suggested before on Mother's Day. It will really be nice for you guys to share something that customize it for like your dad, that they will really appreciate it. So yeah, get them a nice coffee. Now, let's get into some of the other ideas, like not the typical kind of, because it's morning, good morning, guys. So, how about a nice crossbody bag? Now, again, crossbody bag. Again, why? Why do you keep suggesting crossbody bag? Now, I am so sorry that I keep suggesting this, but honestly, it is worth it. I would link down different kinds of crossbody bags, but this one from like it pays homage to Uniqlo. This is not Uniqlo bag. This is really nice. I'll show you a picture of it. I think they will really like it because most fathers like just wearing the bag there. Sometimes they barely even wear bags, so they just put their wallet in their, sometimes in their wife's bags or their pocket. So it's not really a big deal for them to have a bag. But if your husband or father really likes that kind of thing or likes using bag, then get them a nice crossbody bag. Now the next one is, I think I've been raving about this. This is INSPI pants. No, pants itself. Like this one is for those who really can't afford like too much expenses on like simple things like this. But a nice pants would be appreciated. And I would suggest INSPI pants because they really have nice, comfortable, stretchable pants. And although they're stretchable, it doesn't look like they're like jogger pants. And the material of it is really good. If you hear someone coughing, I'm so sorry. My mother is having asthma, so she tends to cough like that. But it's not like cough that she's sick, but it's more like asthma. So apologies for that. Now the next one is figurines. Now I'm specifying figurines right now because like customizable thing. If your dad or father or husband really likes those kind of like figurines, or like has specific go-to anime or go-to comics that has a specific character, try getting them those figurines, whether it's a Funko Pop or like little Lego figurines. I think they'll appreciate it, and it's really cute, and it's also not gonna get up much space. Get them something that actually reminds you of them, like, oh, it reminds you of this is the figurine that reminds you because they like watching it, or they like those kind of comics, they like reading it. So try to find figurines like that. I'm sure you're gonna find them, especially if that's a if they're the person that likes Funko Pops or little figurines. I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. And if you have the budget, try to get them like that, not really life size, like vintage figurines of like Spider-Man, Joker, those kind that I think that'll be epic. if you have the budget, because they're like 5,000 to 10,000, depends on how big you want it. So yeah, now the next one is, like I said, being customizable, is watch organizer. Now, I did mention this also to girls. If the girl really likes, or if your mother really has a lot of collection of watches, then give them that. Especially also guys. Guys have a lot of watches, or they tend to have a lot of watches. So why don't you get them a watch organizer? It depends also on how many watch they have. You can allot a bit more if they're planning on collecting more. And you know, you can just have like the simple lengthy one. I would suggest different kinds of Shopee links down below in the description box on where you can get some of those watch organizers. And they'll really look great also, and it'll be like very personalized because you remember them as they really like collecting watches, or they have a lot of watch. So yeah. And next to that is, this is typical, but I don't know if you guys should give your husband or your father a watch, but unless you really know what watch they really like, then get them a watch. Whether it's a smartwatch, whether it's a really, really nice, Omega watch, that kind. I think it will be appreciated also, because what father doesn't like watches? Then the next one, connecting to pants, is shorts. Shorts. I think, especially it's coming to summer, it's gonna be really, really hot. Here it's already really hot because it's a tropical country. But yeah, shorts will be really nice. Again, I will link down shorts below, like where you can get shorts. But if you don't want the one that's really thick also, and I'm for sure it's going to be not only for like summer, you could use it also on a different occasion or different days, is go to Surplus. They have really, really nice shorts right now. I think it's really a go-to go to Surplus, because they have really nice affordable shorts, and they have really nice colors, classic, and they have great materials, because most of the things in Surplus are actually, really branded stuff, and they just remove the tags. So why don't you just guys check it out? Make sure you guys also know the sizing of your dad or your husband, especially if the shorts that you're going to like for them is not the garterized one. And aside also from Surplus, you can go to Uniqlo. Uniqlo has really great shorts, and they're really, really nice quality as well. So yeah, that's about it for right now. I've been yapping about different types of stuff and gifts, and I'll see you on the next gift list for Father's Day. I think I'm going to create a lot right now for Father's Day, just because I think there's so many things that you could suggest for Father's Day that you can give them that they'll really, really appreciate. So bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell as well, and I'll see you on the next one.